In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily recover deleted messages on Messages application on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Messages app. Now I will show you how to delete a message, and then I will show you how to recover it. So guys, all you have to do to delete a message is just enter a conversation, then long press on a message you would like to delete, tap at More. After that, it allows us to select multiple messages to remove all of them at once. And once you've done that, to delete them, tap right here at that icon and then tap at Delete Messages. Now, although the messages are no longer showing here in that conversation, they are not actually permanently deleted because they are moved to Recently Deleted. And now I'm going to show you how we can easily find and recover them. Basically, guys, all we have to do is just head over to Messages, then tap at Edit, and that's where we can easily find Show Recently Deleted. We can tap on it and it will show us all the messages we deleted in the last 30 days. Then we can, in that way, select messages we would like to recover. As you can see, it says 3 messages here. We can also select another messages. And then all we have to do in order to recover them is just tap at Recover and then confirm it. After that, we can get into the conversation, and as you can see, the message has been restored. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.